clearly.
Very good, Riley.
This is the smart one.
How I'm getting.
That monster's like he is so immature.
I think I'm gonna leave Webster be so he can make
He just wanted to go hiding when we cleared out this going on.
Yeah, he does not want a bath.
He like rolls so quickly.
Yeah, he falls over.
It's not even enough. It's like doesn't even take him 3 seconds to stand back up. He's just like.
My beautiful smellness is gone. I must get it back.
Wow. Somebody didn't like his bath.
Jump, Riley,
Well,
jump.
you didn't want the towel before. Gosh.
The rolling part is new, though. The scraping on the floor I've seen before.
The noise he made.
This is why he drives curly.
I know.
Only half
Look
curly.
like a poodle.